This is a HTC. And it's like a, it won't come on and stuff, see? So I'll put up, it's like a parrot, alright? Alright. Now,
That was a crowbar.
now, what you need, I forgot, it's oil. Well, okay, its back is come off. See, I just like try it. Okay, tell you what. It's like that. I mean, there's like a Kool-Aid. There's like oil stuff, so I'll try that.
Careful.
Oh, a bit too much. Okay. Now, crowbar. Okay. Now it's like there's like pliers. No. What's that called? Oh, screwdriver. Yeah, screwdriver. Okay. Well, I don't know. See, it's like maybe it's. We'll see. It's like this. It's like too big. So I don't know. Well, maybe it's like maybe see it won't come on. It's like I ain't got anything. It's like so maybe. Well, hold on. Maybe it's just this. There it goes. Let's see. What is this? No? Oh, come on. Well, let's see. Ah, I know. It's like pliers, right? Ah, that's it. See? That's it. I'm sure of it. I'm sure. Let's see. No? I don't know. I think it's like, well, I give up. And you try it.
Okay.
First. No. No, no. It's a good. See?
Yeah. Oh, it's still going.
Alright. No, see?
Oh, okay. Did we get it?